Hello children, hope all are fine. We were doing lesson 3, birds. Let us continue. In the previous video we read about the beaks of birds. Now let us read about the feathers of birds. Different birds have feathers of different colors and shape. They are both light and strong. They help the bird to keep their bodies warm. Now feathers are of 3 types. Birds' feather keep them warm, and they are of 3 types: down feathers, body feathers and flight feathers. Let us read about down feathers. These fluffy and soft feathers keep the body of the bird warm. Their feathers are located underneath the body feathers. Next is body feathers. Body feathers are small and stiff, but they are strong. They are present over the down feathers and cover the entire body. They give color and shape to the bird's body. These are body feathers. They give color and shape to the bird's body. And these are down feathers. They are fluffy and soft. Next is flight feathers. Yes, third type of feather is flight feather. These are long and flat feathers attached to the wings and tail of the bird. They are strong and help the bird to fly and change direction. This is the flight feather. You should learn all 3 types of feathers, name and learn to draw. Now, feet and claws of birds. Birds have 2 feet with 4 toes in each foot that end in a curved claw. They use their feet to move, hunt for food, and to protect themselves from enemies. They use their claws to catch food. Claws also help them to climb and sit on the branches of trees. Yes, we read about the bird's beak. Different birds have different types of beaks. The type of food they eat. Same way, now flesh-eating birds, we will read about their claws. Different type of claws the birds have. Birds of prey, the birds which eat small animals like eagles, vultures and falcons, have sharp and curved claws called talons, which are used to grip small animals like toad and rat while flying. You can see in the picture claws of an eagle. They have sharp curved claws with which they can catch the rat or toad to eat while flying. Next is perching birds. Perching birds like sparrows, crows and maynas have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. These toes help the birds to hold on firmly to the branch of a tree even while sleeping. Even when they are sleeping, they can hold the branch and sleep. You can see the 2 claws of a crow. Scratching birds. Hens have strong legs with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Their toes have sharp, hard claws which help them to scratch and dig the ground in order to search out insects and buried seeds. You can see claws of hens. It is 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. And this strong claws help them to scratch the ground and search food for themselves, for search insects and seeds. Next is climbing birds. Birds like woodpeckers and parakeets have two toes pointing forward and the other two pointing backward. These help them to climb and cling to trees. You can see in the picture claws of a woodpecker. Two toes they have in front and two at the back. Swimming birds. Feet of ducks and swans are joined by a soft and thin skin between the toes. This type of feet are called webbed feet. Their webbed feet help them to push water backwards while swimming. See the claws of a duck? Their toes are joined with the thin skin which help them to push water while swimming. Wading birds. Birds like herons and crane have long legs with spread out toes. They help them wade. Wade means move through muddy and shallow water to catch their food such as fish, insects and crabs. You can see in the picture claws of crane. They have toes far apart which help them to, and long legs which help them to move in muddy water to catch fish or insects. Okay children, till here we will do for today. Read about the feathers of birds and feet and claws of birds and stay home. Take care.